Okay, so today I'm going to teach you 4 things you can be doing at home before your pet has TPLO surgery that's going to increase their chances of a really successful procedure. So number 1's very easy. Number 1 is a little bit of weight loss. So even a 1 to 5% change in weight down can make a big improvement, can really make it easier for your pet to recover after the surgery. The best way to help your pet lose weight is not by more exercise, it's by calorie restriction. And dogs are great at asking us for extra food, but what we find is they can actually get by with a lot less than we're feeding them. And the easiest way to do this is to just strictly restrict the volume of dry food they're getting and make sure we're not giving any human treats, because that's where all those extra calories are. And so even if you do that for the week before your pet goes into surgery or 2 weeks before your pet goes into surgery, get 1 to 3 kilos off, that's going to make a big difference for their recovery. The second thing you can do for your dog before it goes for surgery is start a little bit of pre-work physiotherapy. Even best if you can see a veterinary physiotherapist and do a little bit of this pre-work or prehab we call it. Building core strength, helping with strength in that other leg will all help your pet as it recovers from the surgery, and it'll mean we have a better outcome, and it'll mean they're more used to that sort of physiotherapy care, and that's what we're going to be talking about after the surgery as well with your pet. The third thing you can do to really help your pet out with the TPLO surgery is to give them a bath 2 days before surgery. Even better if you can use some medicated shampoo from your veterinarian, give them a full bath, make sure there are no skin lesions. This drastically reduces the rate of post-operative infections and means that their recovery is going to be much more straightforward. And finally, the last thing you can do to help your pet recover from TPLO surgery is to make sure the house is all set up for them before they go home. So things like making sure that they have a quiet area where they're restricted, but they can still move around a bit. I don't want them sitting in a crate the whole time because that's too much restriction, but I don't want them jumping up and down off of the couch. I don't want them running around the backyard without restrictions. So making sure you've got somewhere for your pup to live once the surgery's been done and they've gone home will really help with your pet's recovery from the TPLO surgery.